Google just dropped Gemini 3.1 Flash TTS, and it's honestly a game changer for how we think about AI speech. What is Gemini 3.1 Flash TTS? So, what are we actually looking at here? Gemini 3.1 Flash TTS is the latest generation of text-to-speech technology. Now, I know new model usually just means slightly better, but this one is different. It's designed to be expressive, not just functional. In fact, it's already sitting in the most attractive quadrant on the artificial analysis leaderboard because it's high quality but stays low cost. It even pulled an impressive ELO score of 1211, which is basically a fancy way of saying humans think it sounds way more natural than the competition. It's currently rolling out for developers in Google AI Studio and for enterprises on Vertex AI. The magic of audio tags. The real secret sauce here is something called audio tags. Instead of messing with complicated sliders or technical settings, you use natural language commands directly in your text. Imagine you're writing a script for a weather app. Usually, the AI sounds the same whether it's announcing a sunny day or a hurricane. With these tags, you can tell the AI to sound urgent, calm, or even whisper. It's about granular control. You're not just generating audio, you're directing a performance. Step 1. Getting into the director's chair. Let's talk about how you actually use this. When you hop into the Google AI Studio Playground, you're basically stepping into the director's chair. The first thing you'll notice is the scene direction feature. This is where you set the stage. You can define the environment and give the AI specific dialogue instructions. This helps the characters stay in character and actually react to each other naturally if you're doing a multi-speaker dialogue. It's world building for your ears. Step 2. Speaker specificity and director's notes. Once your scene is set, you move to speaker-level specificity. You can cast different characters using unique audio profiles. But here's the cool part. You can use director's notes to toggle the pace, tone, and accent of that specific voice. Let's say you want a character to start off calm, but then get increasingly frustrated. You can use inline tags to make the speaker pivot their expression right in the middle of a sentence. It's no longer about finding the perfect voice. It's about shaping the voice you have to fit the moment. Step 3. Seamless export for your projects. Now, if you're a developer or a creator who needs consistency, this next part is huge. Once you've perfected that performance in the playground, you don't have to try and recreate it from scratch later. You can export those exact parameters as Gemini API code. This ensures that the custom, recognizable voice you just built stays exactly the same across different projects or platforms. Whether it's for an app or a series of videos, that character is now yours to keep. Global scale and safety. One thing I love about this model is that it isn't just for English speakers. It supports over 70 languages. This means you can take those same expressive controls, the pacing, the accents, the style, and apply them to major markets all over the world. And for those of you worried about AI-generated content floating around unchecked, Google has integrated Synth ID. It's an imperceptible watermark woven directly into the audio. It doesn't change how it sounds to us, but it allows for the reliable detection of AI-generated content to help stop misinformation. If you found this breakdown helpful, do me a favor and hit that like button. It really helps the channel. If you want to stay updated on the latest AI tools that actually make your life easier, make sure to subscribe and hit the bell icon so you don't miss the next one. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.